LEXIS and Company, and today I'll be speaking about the 42nd Amendment Act, which was passed in 1976. Under this amendment were added three new words, that is, socialist, secular and integrity in the preamble. It added fundamental duties by the citizen as a new part, that is Part 4A. It made the President bound by the advice of the Cabinet. It provided for administrative tribunals and tribunals for other matters. Which was added in Part 14A. It froze the seats in Lok Sabha and state legislative assemblies on the basis of 1971 census till 2001. It made the constitutional amendment beyond judicial scrutiny. It curtailed the power of judicial review and writ jurisdiction of the Supreme Court and High Courts. It raised the tenure of Lok Sabha and state legislative assemblies from 5 to 6 years, provided that the laws made for the implementation of directive principle cannot be declared invalid by the court on the ground of violation of some fundamental rights. It empowered the Parliament to make laws to deal with anti-national activities, and such laws are to take precedence over fundamental rights. It added three new directive principles, that is, equal justice and free legal aid, the participation of workers in the management of industry and protection of the environment, forests and wildlife. It facilitated the proclamation of national emergency in the part of the territory of India. It extended the one-time duration of the President's rule in a state from 6 months to 1 year. It empowered the centre to deploy its armed forces in any state to deal with grave situations of law and order. It shifted 5 subjects from the state to the concurrent, that were education, forests, protection of wildlife and animals, weights and measures, and administrative of justice, constitution and organization of all courts except the Supreme Court and the High Court. It did away with the requirement of quorum in the Parliament and the state legislature. It empowered the Parliament to decide from time to time the rights and privileges of its members and committees. It provided for the creation of All India Judicial Service, and it shortened the procedure for disciplinary action by taking away the rights of civil servant to make representation at second stage after the inquiry, that is, on the penalty proposed. That is it for today's video. If you have any queries, you can ask me in the comments below. Thank you.